In the early 20th century, astronomers were just beginning to explore the vast reaches of our universe. Armed with primitive telescopes and a fierce determination to uncover the secrets of the cosmos, these early pioneers braved freezing temperatures and long, lonely nights in observatories around the world. One of these early astronomers was Edwin Hubble, a brilliant young scientist who would go on to become one of the most influential figures in the history of astronomy. Hubble was a true pioneer, using his skills and intellect to push the boundaries of what was possible in the field of observational astronomy. It was in the 1920s that Hubble made one of his most groundbreaking discoveries. Using a telescope located at the Mount Wilson Observatory in California, Hubble discovered that there were galaxies beyond our own Milky Way, and that these galaxies were moving away from us at incredible speeds. This discovery, known as Hubble's law, revolutionized our understanding of the universe and paved the way for a new era of astronomical research. Today, we continue to build on Hubble's legacy, using sophisticated telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope to explore the cosmos in ever greater detail. In 2015, the Hubble Space Telescope captured an incredible image of a cluster of young, hot stars known as Westerlund 2. The image, which is a stunning example of the power of the Hubble, has since become one of the most iconic astronomical images of all time. Westerlund 2 is in the constellation Carina, about 20,000 light-years away from Earth. The cluster is relatively young, at just a few million years old, and is home to some of the most massive stars in our galaxy. In fact, the brightest star in the cluster, known as Westerlund 2-26, is estimated to be around 100 times the mass of our own Sun. The Hubble image of Westerlund 2 is truly breathtaking. The cluster is bathed in a sea of gas and dust, which has been illuminated by the intense light and radiation given off by the cluster's stars. The image is filled with bright, colorful clouds of gas, which have been sculpted by the powerful stellar winds and radiation from the stars. One of the most striking features of the image is the so-called elephant trunk structure. This feature is a long, narrow column of gas and dust that stretches away from the main cluster. The column is thought to be the result of the intense radiation pressure from the stars in the cluster, which has blown away the surrounding material, leaving only the dense column behind. Another fascinating aspect of the Westerlund 2 image is the presence of several young, protostellar objects. These are areas where new stars are in the process of forming, and they are marked by bright, glowing regions of gas and dust. These protostellar objects offer a glimpse into the early stages of star formation, and they provide important clues about how stars like our own Sun are born. The Hubble image of Westerlund 2 has been instrumental in helping astronomers to understand the processes of star formation and evolution. By studying the structure and properties of the cluster, astronomers can learn more about the conditions that lead to the formation of massive stars, as well as the mechanisms by which these stars eventually explode as supernovae. In addition to its scientific importance, the Hubble image of Westerlund 2 is simply a stunning work of art. The image has been widely shared and reproduced, and it has inspired countless people around the world to take an interest in astronomy and space science. Overall, the Hubble image of Westerlund 2 is a testament to the power and beauty of our universe. By capturing this incredible image, the Hubble has given us a glimpse into a distant corner of our galaxy and helped us to better understand the complex and fascinating processes that shape our universe.